Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you. We are from Group 8 in MAT112G6, and in this video, we will be presenting our work based on given problems in our report. The team consists of 4 people with Elton Elueng as our leader, I, Muhammad Shamil bin Johan as the video narrator, Muhammad Idlan Mukhlas bin Ijam alias Muhammad Idam as the video editor, and Luqmanul Hakim bin Maksud as our report drafter. In the given report, we have to solve 4 questions with our knowledge based on compound interest and annuity.
Hello guys, my name is Luqmanul Hakim bin Maksud and I'll be explaining about question 1. RM600 is invested for 5 years 6 months. The investment is offered an interest rate of 7% compounded every 6 months for the first 2 years and 9% compounded every 3 months for the rest of the period. So based on this question, we can identify that this question is about chapter 3 compound interest. Roman 1. Determine the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. How to answer this question? First things first, you have to list down all the information you have. So for the first 2 years, your principal is 600, your rate is 0.07, frequency of interest conversion is 4, and your time will be 2 since it's 2 years. The formula you will be using is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power of M times T. So insert all the information you have, it will become S equal to 600 bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 4 bracket power of 4 times 2, simplify it, and it will become 8. Your answer will become RM 689.33. For the remaining 3 years 6 months, your principal will be 600, rate will be 0.09, the frequency of interest conversion is 4, and your time will be 3 over 1 over 2. Insert all the information you have, it will become S equal to 600 bracket 1 plus 0.09 over 4 bracket power of 4 times 3 over 1 over 2. Simplify it and it will become 14. So your final answer will be 819.29. Roman 2. Calculate the interest earned at the end of the investment period. You'll be using the formula I equal to S minus P. So your S is 819.29 and your principal is 600. So I equal to 819.29 minus 600 and your final answer will be 219.29. That's all from me. Thank you.
So the formula we use in this question is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power of M times T. So we need to identify first. S is 99,000 ringgit Malaysia, P equal to Z, K equal to 0.075. K is a rate, so M equal to 6, Y6 because it's compound every 2 months. So after that, M times T equal to 12 because M is 6 and T is year, he gives 2 years. So M times 2 equal to 12. So we continue. 99,000 ringgit equal to P bracket 1 plus 0.075 per 6 bracket and power 12. So we're gonna count the in front of the P first because there I have a number. So after we count, we get 1.16075418. So after that, we need to move it to sides. We need to divide 99,000 divide 1.10675451. So the answer we get is 85289.35. So
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shamil bin Johan and now I will explain about my question. So the problem stated that ABB Bank offers a personal loan of 50,000 ringgit and the customer has to pay equal monthly payment for 7 years at an interest rate of 3.5% compounded monthly. Now we have our A, which is 50,000 ringgit, the terms are 7 years, our I, which we also can use K over M, whereas our K is 0.035, converted from 35%, and the M is 12, as stated in compounded monthly. Finally, our N is 84 from M multiplied with terms. Our first question started with finding the monthly payment for the loan. Here we have to use the present value equation, which is A equals R 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of N over I. After that, insert those previous values to its place and calculate the inner brackets first, and we get 50,000 equals 74.4055857 R. Next, bring the point value to the other side and divide 50,000 with it. Finally, we get R equals RM 671 ringgit 99 cents. Moving on to the next question, now we have to determine the total interest charge for the loan. This can simply be done by using the interest charge or earn equation, that is I equal N times R minus A, and once again put our appointed values in the equation and calculate the multiplication first and get 56,447 ringgit and 16 cents minus 50,000 ringgit. Now we just have to minus both of them and get the final answer, which is 6,447 ringgit and 16 cents. Let's hop on to the next question, where we need to calculate the outstanding balance if the customer decided to settle the loan immediately after the 50th payment. Here, our N will change to 34 because of an early payment case. We still have to use the present value equation in order to find our new balance. Insert the recent value and calculate accordingly to BODMAS principle, and we'll end up with our outstanding balance of 21,721 ringgits and 22 cents. And the final question asks us to calculate the amount that the customer has to pay on the 5th payment if the customer fails to pay the first 4 monthly payments in order to settle the outstanding arrears. This question refers as much to the late payment case, and we need to use the future value equation for this one. Be mindful that now our N had changed to 5 because the customer started payment on the 5th. After that, just like the other question, insert and calculate those values and we'll get 3,379 ringgits and 61 cents.
Okay, so for question 4, you guys can use the formula A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power negative N over I. So 10,000 equals 250 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K over M times T over K over M. So 10,000 equals 250 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 12 power negative n over 0.048 over 12. So the next is 10,000 over 250 equals 1 minus bracket 1.004 power negative n over 0.004. So for 40 40 times 0.004 equals 1 minus 1 minus bracket 1.004 power negative n. So 0.16 minus 1 equals negative 1.004 power negative n. So you get negative 0.84 equals negative 1.004 power negative n. What you need to do, you can just cut the negative. Yeah, so the next is log 0.84 equals log 1.004 power negative n. Log 0.84 equals n log 1.004 log 0.84 over log 1.004 equals negative n. So the answer you will get the negative 44 equals negative n. You can just do the same. You can just cut the negative. So the last answer you will get the n equals 44 months. So that's all from me. Thank you.
And with that, we would like to thank you in appreciation for lending some of your time to watch our video. Assalamualaikum and have a pleasant day. Group 8 signing out.